What's up, Danny? I'm YouTube, and I'm back with another video. I'm doing this shit like at 2 a.m. because no one wants to leave the house anymore. So I'm doing this shit when they're asleep. But I'm trying to make this shit nice and quick. You guys, a lot of you guys probably know what it is by this very identifiable box. But it's the Union Jordan 4 collaboration that I recently came out, and these released on Union's website, and bravo to them because they probably had the best sneaker release of the year, not sneaker wise, but like in terms for like manual users, and gave people an extra chance to buy them. Paper's pretty cool, but it's not important. This sneaker was probably the most hated sneaker when the leaks first were shown, and when the official images first came out. But just like Hypebeast sneaker is known to do, or Hypebeast Twitter is known to do, actually this entire like Hypebeast sneaker culture is hate it when they first see it and then love it after they miss out on it. So this came in two colorways. It came in this guava colorway and a black Nord colorway. Everyone's a fan of the black one a lot more because it's way more wearable than this colorway. But some extra orange laces. Then I'm gonna put this one back in the box. And talk about this. So cool little red on blue on the heel tab, and then hang tag's pretty cool, but that's not what's important right now. So I got a size 6 even though I'm a size 10, because when I originally tried, I was in queue, man, for what seemed like forever for the black pair in my size. It sold out, and then I went for a size 6 on this because I knew for a fact that a 10 would be gone. So I just wanted to get something just to be able to like resell it and get money's worth, make sure I wasn't wasting my time that morning. But everyone hated this because it just looks like the shape of it was completely off. They hate the short tongue on it, but this tongue can actually get unstitched. First of all, look at my fucking nails, man. Anyway, the tongue can actually get unstitched and become a nice regular tongue. Not nice, shit still looks weird. The materials on the sneakers are actually very, very nice. Not sneaker of the year in my opinion. You guys know what the hell it is if you watch my YouTube channel. It's the Yeezy Quantums for me. And I've seen a lot of people when they get this sneaker is that they cut off this little part, or whatever the fuck it's called. I'm so sorry if you guys hear the fucking smoke alarms. My upstairs neighbor gotta change their smoke alarms. I'm telling them, man, but they're just not doing it. And I know it's freaking annoying. Even the little inside bubble is like an orange color, and Union LA hinting on it right there. This is Union's second collaboration with Jordan. The first one went absolutely beautiful when they were selling it at the flea market, caught all those celebrities off guard by telling them it's a real shoe. It's a Nike shoe that released, and it ended up being like an unreleased sneaker, and those people didn't believe it. I'll put up a clip of it if I remember it, if I find it.
Interesting.
That's a collaboration with Union, Los Angeles.
Wait, what?
What's up, y'all? What's good? Clean?
Yeah, look dope. Sure.
Man, they're super. Stop it. Stop it.
Are these real?
They're as real as it gets.
Never seen these on Hypebeast.
We got OG Union from like store openings and all of it. Like, I've never seen this shit, yo. There's no way it's real.
Oh yeah, these go for 80.
80 can be.
Union collab.
Official. They are. Aren't
Wait.
they?
Can you make it for me for 50?
50. Bro, you ready for somebody, bro? You know this. What you doing, bro?
Come on, man.
What you doing, bro?
Come on, man.
50 bucks?
Yes.
Are you
50
kidding
bucks.
me? You don't love your son?
Yeah, I feel like if these came out, like, we would know about them, right? If I buy and they're not real, do I get my money back?
From who? God?
Super whack, yo.
They're real, B. This is official.
Whatever, yeah.
Straight up.
Fake.
Bugging.
But their first sneaker collaboration on the Jordan 1 is absolutely beautiful. That's gonna go down as one of the best Jordan 1's collaborations of all times. Sneaker you gotta pick up. It was only selling for like $500 when it first came out, but now the sneaker's going for like around $2,000. And that's a sneaker that if I wasn't like relying on government help to pay my bills, I would definitely spend all that money on it. Like if we get a second stimulus check, even though I didn't even get the first one, but the second one that everyone's gonna get will be my first. I spend this shit on the fucking Union ones because fuck it, why not, right? You'll get money back eventually. Not much to say on the sneaker other than this Guava colorway is a Union exclusive, and the black one's coming out again on Nike sneakers sometime in October, which is fine because like I said, I want the black one for the personal, so hopefully I can cop those. If not, it'll even be a little cheaper, so I'll be able to sell these now, have some profits, and buy the black ones for resale. Or I don't know, I probably won't even do that, to be honest. Once I sell the sneaker, I don't ever end up buying it back. But my biggest debate within myself right now is to either sell this right now and make $7 profit, or hold it. Because what I lose for holding this sneaker, right? Since it's the exclusive colorway. But I don't know. I guess I'll update you guys sooner or later on what I decide. And let's see if I make a huge mistake or not. That's all for now. These smoke alarms are fucking killing me. I'm so sorry, guys. I'll find a fix to it soon. And shout out to you if you can't hear it. But that's all. Like and subscribe. And I don't know what else to say in the fucking outro, because my intro was fucking stolen from somebody that used to watch on YouTube back in the day. But thank you for your time. Peace.